Clock strikes upon the hour, and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. I've done alright up till now. It's the light of day that shows me how. When the night falls, my loneliness calls.
Dabber Cats, our birthday girl,
Miles Ocampo!
Hey!
Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I need a man who'll take the chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So when the night comes, my lonely heart calls. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat. You know, yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Happy birthday, Dabber Cats! Bye!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you po. Thank you, Dabber Cats. Mas Joey, thank you po.
Ay, teka, ituloy na natin ang kantahan. Dabber Gods! Sabay-sabay tayo. Music!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
To you.
Happy birthday, Dabber Cats!
Thank you po.
Ito ang birthday mo.
Speech
Wala
mo
akong
na.
masasabi kundi pataas! Pataas yung edad eh. Pataas yung edad.
Pataba. Pababa. Okay. Okay.
Pag birthday, syempre, hindi mo wala ang cake.
Ay, bossing.
Cakes. Ayun
Yan,
o.
oh.
Grabe naman.
Isang katerba, ha? Isang katerba ang cake mo, ha? Dami.
Thank you po, Dabber Cats.
Naiiyak, naiiyak ka!
Bakit? Hindi nagsasalita eh.
Naiiyak mo, Joey.
Mag-speech ka naman.
Di lang cake, may mga flowers ka rin.
Uy, grabe naman po.
Ayun, oh. Next.
At may surprise guest.
Uy!
Uy, teka.
Joey!
Le,
Sino yun po, Joey?
Joke lang yun. Joke.
Pero gusto ko lang
Ito raw.
po mag-thank you, Dabbercats. Di ko po makakalimutan nung bagong pasok po ako sa Bulaga. Parang 1 month pa lang ako noon. Binigyan niyo ako ng birthday prod agad. Thank you po sa Dabbercats. Hindi ko in-expect ever na magiging parte ako ng pamilyang to. So, thank you po, Ma'am Jen. Thank you sa lahat. Sa pamilya ko, Dabbercats, Bossing, Tito Sen, Boss Joey, Ate Ces, friends, thank you po. Maraming salamat po. At forever ko pong sasabihin na legit Dabbercats ako!
Ay, bati, mga may message kayo kay Ate Miles.
Po, Miles, happy birthday. Just like we always say, tamang daan. And alam mo na. Pero you know we love you so much and we wish you nothing but the best. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Tashing.
Ikaw, Karen.
Happy birthday, Ate Miles. Ang masasabi ko lang po, thank you so much for being like a sister to us po. And thank you, and I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Ate Miles. Love you. Love you.
Kay Ate Raisa.
Ate.
Yung bully.
Happy birthday, friends. Sana lagi ka lang maging masaya tulad ngayon. And mahal na mahal ka namin. And we're always here for you,
Sasaya na yan. Main guy.
Miles, happy birthday. Oh, huwag ka umiyak. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, happiness. Lagi naman, sana palagi kang masaya. Hindi lang ngayong special na araw mo, kundi sa araw-araw ng buhay mo. Stay as you are. Sobrang sweet mong...
Ako naman. Alam mo naman na maliit ka pa lang, tagahanga mo na ako. Oo.
Joey.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Salamat po.
Ako naman, siyempre, copy-paste. Okay? Happy birthday.
Bawal po bumate, Tito Sen. Bawal po bumate.
Nasabi ko na, sana sa birthday mo, hindi mo na ako ibubuli.
Tito Sen, ang bait-bait ko po.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po, Tito Sen.
Birthday girl, may mga babati pa sa'yo.
Ito yung sinasabi ko mga surprise.
Ito na.
Oh,
Huwag kang mabibigla. Ay, wala pala.
Miles! Birthday mo daw? Ay, happy birthday ka pala. I hope you have a nice day on your special day kasama yung mga mahal mo sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Miles. I wish that everything that your heart desires will come true. Stay happy, stay blessed, and see you sa taping. Happy birthday, Miles.
Hi Miles, this is Chris Villanueva or Pau Pau. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Sabi nga nila, good things happen to good people. So just continue being a good person and I'm sure blessings will come.
Hi Ate Miles, happy birthday sa'yo and I hope you enjoy your special day today.
Happy birthday po, Miss Miles. Looking forward na po ako na makasama kayo sa shoot. Again, happy birthday po sa aming Pajak Princess. God bless po.
Hi, Miles! Happy birthday! Ayan, I'm wishing you all the best in life, especially sa health, syempre sa career, or awards, mare, ganyan.
Hey Miles, I can't wait to work with you and the rest of the cast of ng Pajak Princess.
Hey Miles, happy birthday sa'yo. I hope all your wishes come true and I'm really looking forward sa next project natin to work with you again.
Miles, happy birthday! I've seen you grow through the years and I'm so happy na ngayon we're working again. And ikaw pa rin yung anak ko, di ba, after so many years. Happy birthday and I love you, my princess!
Hi, Miles. Happy birthday sa'yo. May God bless you always. And sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad. And isa doon, yung pinakakinikilig ako, ang Kiwi! Happy birthday, Miles! I hope you have a good one.
Hi, Mima. Nak. Sorry. Happy birthday. Isa ako sa mga mapapalad na kaibigan kita. May problema man o wala, andito ko para sa'yo. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And I love you so much at deserve mo laging maging masaya.
Hello, Beshi! Happy birthday! Sa tagal nating hindi nagkikita, hindi ko alam kung magkaibigan pa ba tayo. Hindi, joke lang. Lagi ka namin pinapanood sa Itbulaga. Talagang tuwing tanghali nakabukas ang TV namin para subaybayan ka. And sobrang happy ako sa project mo this year. papanoorin namin yan. Talagang full support kami. Ang buong San Pedro ay susuportahan ka. Happy birthday, Beshi! I love you! See you soon!
Hey Miles, happy birthday. May God bless you. At sana makuha mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. And I really hope I get to work with you soon. It would be an honor. And yeah, happy birthday again.
Hi Miles, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I want you to know that we're very proud of you. The whole Crown family is very proud of you. You've already accomplished a lot, but I know this is just a start and we're just gonna be right behind you.
Hi Miles! Happy birthday! Sana alam mo na ang Mimi Madge mo, ang ate Maha mo ay sobrang proud sa'yo. Hindi lang dahil sobrang galing mong artista, kundi napakabuti ng iyong puso. Mimi Madge will always be here for you. And again, I'm very proud of you. I love you. Happy birthday.
At meron pa. Teka, meron pa.
Friend,
Andito ang mami mo.
Yes! Dito Sen, Bossing, Boss Joey, ito po kasama namin ni Ate Tash, pamilya ni Ate Ma, si Mommy. Ate Kuyas! Ano masasabi niyo? Birthday po ni Ate Mas. Message po.
happy birthday.
Ba't ka umiiyak?
Kaya mo yan. Hindi, basta,
Tsaka nagmamahal.
lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na proud kami sa'yo. Lalo marami kang Dabber Cats na napapasaya, mga tao. Kaya thankful din po ako sa Itbulaga sa pagtanggap niyo po sa anak ko. Sabi ko nga hanggang ngayon na-amaze ako kasi nakikita ko siya nag-host sa Itbulaga kasi maliit pa lang ako, nanonood ako ng Itbulaga. So ngayon, hindi ko anak ko na-host na, di ba?
Sakit mo magsalita, mami.
Sorry, Boss Joey!
May pinagmanahan.
Salamat po sa inyo. Happy birthday na, I love you.
Love you,
Alam mo
Ma.
yan, proud ako sa'yo.
Thank you po. Kuya Austin. Oh, yung kuya.
Ayun, Miles, happy birthday. Ayun yung mga napag-usapan natin, alam mo na yun. Tsaka, congratulations sa lahat ng mga blessings na natatanggap mo. Yun, wish ko more blessings and happiness sa'yo. And happy birthday, mahal ka namin.
Love you po. Thank you, kuya. Si Miggy po. Bunso.
Ate, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang is magkaroon ka ng good health. And we are grateful to have you in our life. I love you, ate.
Love you po. Thank you, Dabber Cats. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Gusto ko lang din po mag-thank you. Siyempre, Itbulaga family, Ma'am Jen, Ate Liza, sa inyo pong lahat. Maraming pong salamat. Bossing, Tito Sen, Boss Joey, Dabber Cats. Sa Crown family ko po, sa APT family, pa Jack Princess family, malapit na po, Dabber Cats. Sana po abangan po ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga nagbigay ng cake, thank you po. Maraming pong salamat. At sa mga sumusupport at nagmamahal sa akin na nandito, thank you so much po sa inyo. Maraming pong salamat.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Galing ng timing mo, ha?
Happy birthday.
Miles, happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Malapit lang yung taping ko dito, so...
Tama yung nanay.
Nay!
Yung pamilya mo.
Kasing malapit lang yung taping ko dito, so dumalaw lang ako, Miles. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Babalik na akong taping.
Go,
Guys,
thank
thank you
you.
for supporting Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa. Miles, happy birthday again!
Thank you so much, Mika.
Ay! Gusto yung nanay. Magmano ka?
Ayan na po.
Mami! Bunso! Si Lola!
Ay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Itbulaga
Kingo.
family.
Wala na ba?
Wala na ba po? Shake ko kami ng Wala na ba?
Meron pa.
Parang ulang eh.
Ilabas nyo na!
Happy birthday, Miles.